Today we are in Poperinge in the Bertinus Collectief school Poperinge with teacher Ben Vandelannoote and one of his students Julien.
Okay.
They created a department in the school about pigeons and animal health and raising pigeons also.
Yes.
So Ben, can you tell us please why the school make the decision to create a department about pigeons?
Yes, a couple of years ago, one of my colleagues, he asked me, like, you know, we have pigeons in the school and it would be nice for them that we can make a Sputnik to let them out and get them back in. And I'm a teacher mechanic and making material, so he asked me, can you make the Sputnik? I never had seen a Sputnik in my life before.
Okay.
So I made a Sputnik and it was so fascinating to see how the pigeons got out and find their way back home again. That we start thinking of, can we do something more with the pigeons than only keep them here? So we got in touch with the Belgian group for the pigeons and especially the one of Poperinge. And they say, oh well, we could make this like a promotion loft, and the idea got more into it and we start doing it, and 2 years later now we're having a loft with about 30 pigeons and we're playing races, doing races, and it's nice to do. The students like Julien, he saw this at school and he already has pigeons at home now and want to do races next year as well.
Okay.
So it's important for us to have young students, young kids, and put them on this wonderful sport. It's something very historical for Belgium, and if we don't keep it attractive for the youth, it could die out. But we have an insurance now with Julien, who is doing it. His great grandfather was a pigeon fancier, so after a couple of years now he started as well. So we are very, very happy with the project, that it worked.
Ben, can you tell us a bit more about what students are learning here in the loft?
We are starting off with talking about what kind of pigeons these are and why we raise them, and make them fascinated, like, okay, telling them if you're going to take them away, they will come back to their loft. Oh, why are you doing this? It's just a natural instinct to come back. Then we're starting actually with the first class, kids about 12 years, taking the pigeons about 1.5 kilometers away, let them go, and we could see you on the app when they arrive, and it's fascinating for them, like they're already inside. Okay. How do they know how to fly back? And we tell them, okay, it's something they had in their habit. It's
and then the lesson can start.
And then the lessons could start.
How is the orientation of a pigeon?
Yeah.
And is it difficult to explain to them, because orientation, pigeon sport, it's difficult for a fancier who is racing 70 years with pigeons?
Yeah, we try to explain them how it works, and with the directions of like north, south, east and west, how it works. and then we say, okay, mostly they fly in this direction. It's just getting used to it. Like we don't go into very hard science because it's already hard for a pigeon fancier. So we just try to make them understand
the basic
elements.
How can a pigeon find the loft back from a liberation seat?
Yeah, exactly. And they are very surprised when we talk about, okay, if there is a speed flight about like a RAS, what is about a 60-70 kilometer, or they could be back in less than an hour. They're back, that they fly 70. So yeah, that's quite relaxed actually for a pigeon who can fly quicker than that. And they're very it's motivated for them to see like an animal that can fly that quick, because young guys need all to be quick and fast and fancy.
Quick, fast, and speed is
it's very important.
Interesting them. Ben, do you give only practice or also theory in the real classroom?
We do it in a classroom as well. Before we can show the practical part, the kids have to see how it's all about.
You need some
we show something on the screen, like how it works, what the how a pigeon loft is made, why do we make a pigeon loft, and then we can show them in practical how it works.
Okay.
Because if you show it here, like for example, if we talk, we have the clocking system, and they never heard of a clocking system. What is a clocking system? And if you can show it in a classroom, like this is a clocking system, why do we use a clocking system? What data can we get out of the clocking system? What is interesting to look for other years and how we're going to plan our flights and our races. We need to have the theoretical part before we go on the practical and to show them what it is.
Seems logic. And now you are talking about the clocking system. I see the Benzing finish line. Of course, you are clocking with Benzing.
Yes, we are.
And can you explain why the school or you choose for the Benzing system?
We choose for the Benzing system. We have contact several dealers, but what for me was very important, the evening I contact you, I got a message, and the day afterwards I got a confirmation of you, like you will have a system of us. And the other days we kept contact, and straight away I got a message back from you, so if something would happen, I could communicate with you, I will have an answer straight away. And this is important for us. If something happens, or we need something, or we have questions, we can communicate on a quick way. And this is for us very important.
Quick service.
Quick service
if
is
something
is
happened, or of course it's a school and you have students, they also ask you questions which you cannot answer directly. You send me a message and then you can explain it directly to the students, and that's during the lesson.
And that's one of the most positive things about, and not the system is perfect. It's wonderful. It clocks quickly. It's very good, user friendly, but the communication with Benzing is perfect.
Top.
Yes, that's
nice
very
to
important.
Hear. Thank you. We will switch now to the Dutch language because we have a very special guest. Julien, je hebt eigenlijk geen familie die met duiven speelt. Buiten je overgrootvader, maar heb je die zelf nog gekend?
Ja, hij leeft nog, maar hij is 10 jaar gestopt met duiven spelen.
Dus eigenlijk helemaal vanuit het niets eigenlijk met duiven beginnen spelen. En wat heeft u aangetrokken tot de duivensport?
Van school altijd het kot kuisen en ze buiten laten. Ik vond dat tof. En ik mocht van mama er ook hebben. En ik heb er dan gekregen van een liefhebber dat meneer Vandelannoote ook kent.
Ja. Dus je krijgt wel hulp, niet alleen op school, maar ook nog van de duivenliefhebbers buiten de school. En in de club, ben je daar ook al geweest?
Ja, mee geweest met die andere liefhebber. Ik ben er al mee geweest, ik vond dat wel tof.
En dat is ook tof. Oké, super. Wij wensen u heel veel succes volgend seizoen op de wedstrijden en hou ons zeker op de hoogte. Ben, we want to thank you very much for the hospitality and all the explanations.
I want to thank you for the great service we have.
Yeah, that's with pleasure for us, so no issue. And we wish you also a lot of success with the school department, Pigeon Sport. And now there is resting a lot of pressure on your shoulders, of course, because you create already one venture. for KBDB and the Belgian pigeon sport and the pigeon sport worldwide. So we hope you will create more fanciers as Julien, and of course we also wish you a lot of success in the near future on the races. And as thank you, we will also give you a 1 year free membership for home evaluation for next year. Because you told us it's difficult to get budget from the school and you need all the stuff, and we all know pigeon sport is not so cheap, so we will do a new sponsorship to you with a 1 year free home evaluation.
Okay, thank you.
It's with pleasure, and of course you're welcome.
Hello fanciers, Andrea Tascino,
Tom Aerts,
Benzing Live TV. If you like this kind of content,
subscribe on the YouTube channel of Benzing Pigeon Sport.
And activate the bell is a small step for you
to the big step for pigeon sport.
Benzing, never stop.